it's not quite beer o'clock on Real Ale Craft Beer. That Insta360 camera we bought the other day wasn't good. Wasn't good at all. So sent it back. We've ordered something I think quite special. Shall we unbox it? It is the Panasonic Lumix S5. Amazingly, I ordered it off Amazon just yesterday and it turned up last night, but not till late. So here we have it. It's a 4K camera that shoots 60 frames a second, 4K 10-bit video. I did a lot of research into it after that Insta360. I thought I was onto a winner with that Insta360, but as it turns out, it wouldn't work with iMovie. And I like iMovie to edit my videos, and I've really found their software, it was crashing, the camera quality wasn't that good. So I sent it back, decided to send it back. So here we go. Here's a look. Bits of cardboard. So, oh, it's USB-C. Which is cool. Well, there's your British plug. European plug. Battery. The battery seems quite heavy. I could be able to put a lot of, get a lot of hours or minutes out of the charge. Charger. That's that bit. Here's the body of the camera. Oh, it feels really weighty. Wow. Look at that. I've never, well, I'll tell a lie, I ordered a DSLR a long time ago, but it was pulsing. I couldn't get it to focus on me properly. But this is a full frame mirrorless camera. It's probably going to take me a little bit of time to get used to, as we've always used a camcorder. Previously, as you might have seen in my Insta360 video, we used this 4K Panasonic for about 5 or 6 years. It did us really, really well, but it finally packed in. First of all, the touchscreen broke about a year ago. The charging cable then broke. We battled on with it. I had to take the battery out to charge it externally. And then finally, the ribbon that connects the viewfinder to the camera, the ribbon with it opening, closing, turning, it just broke. So I'm just wondering how I can get around that with this camera, where I can try and save the ribbon a little bit from being damaged over extensive use. There's your strap. And here is the lens. And the lens light filter thing.
Shade.
Light shade, here we are. So here we are. Wow, even this this lens here, it's really quite weighty. Now I'm gonna bring round my personal assistant to ask me, or to ask her, how to connect this lens.
Until you're ready though.
Or I might have a go
just
myself.
getting in there, so be quick.
Does it just pull off?
There's a button in there. See that button?
Oh yeah, there's that button there.
And then twist.
Ah, there we are, right, it
You
locks.
have to line them up.
Let's have a look at this. Push the button
You
in.
don't need to push it in, I don't think. It's just to take it out.
Let's have a look at this now.
There's a red dot. See the red dot?
Oh,
red
yeah, look at that. Line the dots up.
dot. Line them up then. Line them up. Oh my God. Jesus. Yeah, I can see this is going to last very well. Look after that, wouldn't you, dear?
There we are. Look at that. We've connected it. Well, there's no reason now for me to take this lens off. Now it's on there. It's kind of on there, isn't it? So there it is. There is a look at the S5. That looks, yeah, really weighty and incredibly. Oh, look at this. Should we see if there's any battery power? Oh no, there won't be because I haven't put the battery in. Right, where does that go?
There won't be.
So this is the first time I've used one of these DSLRs. It's the biggest investment in the channel as well we've ever made. But we think that the channel deserves it. So does this... She's gone. I'm just wondering if I can charge this, if I put the battery in, charge it via USB-C, or whether I just charge it in the charging dock. I think what I'll do, I'll charge it in the charging dock, starting off with, and then is this a USB-C? Oh yeah, look, so here's the plug. I know that all of this bit's not the most exciting, but I'm excited. I've never had a camera like this before, and yeah, I want to get this plugged in. I'm really looking forward to seeing what the footage is like on this camera. USB-C. Oh, look at that. Right, so I'm gonna get this on charge. I might do a little bit of sample footage and edit it, put on the end of the video. Or I might just make a beer review with it, or a food review, and see how we get on. But that's the Panasonic Lumix S5. There's a look at the viewfinder that, importantly for me, as a vlogger, spins round. So hopefully, after the disaster, which was the Insta360, hopefully we've now made the right choice for the near future of the channel in this camera here. Thank you all so very much for watching. Please put your comments in the comments box, subscribe to our daily beer and food reviews, give us a big fat thumbs up. Boom! Cheers!